What is going on, guys? It's Earbuds here, and I'm coming at you with another unboxing and review of a cool new product that I just found on Amazon. But before we get into that, thank you for 500 subscribers. It is awesome. I won't go too much into it because honestly, a lot of people that come to watch this video probably aren't from my channel, so I don't want to bore you with that. Thank you for 500 subscribers. Now let's just jump into the video. Like I just said, I found a cool product on Amazon. They're normally $130. I got these on sale for $13.67, $13.87, something like that. So I am very excited to show you. I have no idea how to pronounce this. A pie. We're gonna call that a pie. A pie? This is just the brand name. I have no idea what the model is or anything. They're wireless headphones. They're for like athletic use. They wrap around your ear and the only wire is connecting them to each other. They're pretty cool. I've had a chance to use them, obviously. I just repackaged it like they had packaged it before. It was just really a jumbled mess, and I didn't like it. But you pull it out and everything's tangled like that. Then the instruction booklet is all bent out of shape. There are four different, I don't know if you can see that, 4 different earbud pieces that you can change out. So your ears are more comfortable, but here they are in all their glory. There are 3 buttons, if we can get it in focus. Okay, we're just gonna bring it out here. There are 3 buttons. Right here is the power button, volume up and volume down. The headphones have their own volume that is different. This does not control your phone's volume, it controls the earbuds volume. I just put it at max, so that way I can just use my phone and not have to jack with this. It charges with a micro USB in the right earbud, right there. It's not gonna focus for me. There's not much to these little headphones, so let's put them on. They fit pretty comfortably. The only thing that I had a personal problem with, and I bought some for my dad. He has to say anything on the product, but my friend also bought these. He says they fit totally fine. My left ear, for whatever reason, the one on the left does not fit well, but the right one, no matter what size thing I use, works fine. No matter what size thing I use, the left does not work well. But yeah, it's just a 1 foot, I believe, maybe even just 6 inches of a micro USB cord to charge it. Pretty small. I've got a million micro USB cords. Does not come with a power brick, but if it did, it would take up half the box. Another good thing about these is, for the most part, they won't fall out. They might slip out of your ear a little bit, the bud part, when you are moving around, being athletic, playing basketball, catching, doing something, and all you gotta do is just do a little quick press back in and you're good to go. One thing is that I'm definitely figuring out now, and have figured out before, when you're wearing a hooded sweatshirt like this, the nice rubber wire in the back is going to catch on that hood and want to rip it out. So don't use the hood while wearing these unless you don't care about your ears being ripped off. The sound quality is, I'm gonna take these out. The sound quality is also really good. It just doesn't fit that well in my left ear. That's the only complaint I really have about it. It connects very easily. All you got to do is just hold down the power button, and then there's like a voice assistant. Not like a full-blown voice assistant. It'll just tell you that it's ready to pair. Turn on your Bluetooth, and it's that simple. Surprisingly enough, I was just having to look it up because I didn't think there was one, but there's a microphone on these things. I lost it. I found it. It is on the left earbud, just a tiny little dot right there. There's a microphone on these things. That's pretty incredible. They are normally $130. I do know that, but for something that looks like it's a $13 product, it's not bad. Not bad at all. I give it my seal of approval. If you guys want to go check it out, link is in the description. It is on Amazon. It was a lightning deal for me at $13. My friend got it at $20 for still being on sale, and as long as it's still on sale, I'd go get it even at 20 bucks. If you want to wait for maybe another lightning deal, because I did see it lightning deal twice, go ahead. But I seriously recommend this product because they're wireless earbuds for $13 or $20 that are normally $130. I got them for 90% off. So I'm gonna take that. We've got a lot of products lined up to review, and some of these I can't unbox. I don't unbox this bad boy right here. I will be doing a review on that as well as other things I got for the holidays, Christmas, I don't care. So hopefully I can get off my butt and record more videos like these so I can get them out to your faces. I hope you guys did have a good holidays, Hanukkah, Christmas, New Year's, whatever you want. Is Kwanzaa past? Or, I don't know. Yeah, we got a whole lineup of products ready to be reviewed, and hopefully I can get some videos out to you in the near future. But with that being said, this is the end of the video. So leave a like if you have enjoyed, and subscribe if you're new around here, because like I said, I got a lot of stuff ready to go. I just need to record. That is all for now, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.